suns in the systems where I come up empty. What if those painted songs of heroes, or the moon Herculean pulling a half of me? Are we not threaded by the same weave of the wind, terra firma, and unparted sea? Whether by accident or fortune, you and I, we are matter, and it matters. Spin something out of nothing. Let the gold spring from winter, stormy from molded sky. I wanna help mother up an orchard, from a seed up through sapling, daughter phoenix rise. The way they encourage one another to push high, touch the sunlight against their tender leaves. They'll be full grown before we know it. And as I breathe, so does she. We are breathing. Break the bonds I've been holding on to, let them soften me, till every part that I am made of waters deep to the roots of something